Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the access control entry is corrupt error you are coming across on your Windows computer. So if you're coming up with this error message in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on Start button one time. Type in CMD. Best match to go back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go ahead and just left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy each one at a time. We're just going to let them run completely. So the first one's going to be an SFC command. So just copy from the description of my video and then go up to the first one we're going to run is an SFC command. So just copy from my description. Go to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, left click on edit, and left click on paste to paste it in. It will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that one is done, now we're going to go run the second command I'm going to have in the description video, so just paste it into the command prompt as well. Okay, so once that's done, just close out of here, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.